Welcome, wanderers of the World Wide Web, to a new video that might just change your perspective on work and life. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of digital nomadism, where the traditional boundaries of workspaces dissolve. Imagine living in a world where your office could be a beach in Bali or a quaint cafe in Berlin. Sounds tempting, right? In this video, we'll explore the best places to live as a digital nomad, considering factors like cost of living, internet connectivity, and lifestyle opportunities. So if you've been thinking about packing your bags and working remotely, this video is for you. First stop on our digital nomad journey, the beautiful island of Bali in Indonesia. This paradise of an island is not just a popular tourist destination, but also a hub for digital nomads from across the globe. One of the key attractions of Bali is its affordable cost of living. You can enjoy a comfortable lifestyle without burning a hole in your pocket. The island's vibrant community of digital nomads forms a great network for collaboration, idea exchange, and of course, making new friends. To cater to this community, Bali offers a plethora of co-working spaces that are not just functional but aesthetically pleasing as well. Let's not forget, Bali is steeped in rich culture and offers a host of recreational activities. You can explore ancient temples, take up yoga, try out surfing, or simply enjoy the stunning beaches. So if you love tropical weather, affordable living, and a vibrant community, Bali should be on your list. Next up, we're heading to the mountainous region of Chiang Mai in Thailand. Picture this, a city nestled against a backdrop of lush mountains, where the old-world charm meets modern amenities. Chiang Mai is a digital nomad's dream, boasting fast and reliable internet, a crucial component for any remote work. The city is dotted with numerous cafes offering perfect spots to settle in with your laptop and a cup of the local brew, while soaking up the serene atmosphere. But what makes Chiang Mai truly stand out is its affordability. The cost of living here is significantly lower compared to other digital nomad hotspots, allowing you to stretch your budget further without compromising on lifestyle. Culturally, Chiang Mai is a treasure trove. From ancient temples to bustling night markets, there's always something to explore after a day's work. It's not just about work-life balance here, it's about work-life integration. The city also boasts a vibrant digital nomad community, so you'll never feel alone. You'll find yourself in the company of like-minded individuals, sharing ideas, experiences, and forming lifelong connections. Chiang Mai is a haven for those seeking peace, affordability, and a strong digital nomad community. Our next destination takes us to the charming city of Lisbon in Portugal. Lisbon is a city that beautifully blends the old with the new. It's a place where you can walk down cobbled streets and marvel at centuries-old architecture, while also enjoying the benefits of a modern, digital-friendly city. The cost of living in Lisbon is surprisingly affordable compared to other European capitals, making it an attractive option for digital nomads. The city offers reliable internet access across its cafes, co-working spaces, and even public parks, ensuring you can work from virtually anywhere. What's more, Lisbon is known for its active digital nomad community. There are plenty of networking events and meetups, providing ample opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals. But work aside, Lisbon's rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes make it a city that's easy to fall in love with. From the medieval São Jorge Castle to the modern Mat Museum, from the traditional fado music to the contemporary street art, Lisbon offers an extraordinary mix of experiences. And let's not forget about the city's climate. With mild winters and warm summers, it's a place where you can enjoy outdoor activities all year round. If you're seeking a European city with a great climate, affordable cost of living, and a rich history, Lisbon is the place to be. Next, we're traveling to the city of eternal spring, Medellin in Colombia. Nestled in the verdant valleys of the Andes, Medellin is a city that has undergone an incredible transformation in recent years. Once a city known for all the wrong reasons, it's now a blooming hub of creativity, culture, and innovation. The moderate climate here is a constant allure, with temperatures that rarely stray too far from a balmy 70 degrees Fahrenheit. The cost of living is quite appealing too, offering a comfortable lifestyle without breaking the bank. And let's not forget the growing digital nomad community here, lured by the city's reliable internet access, a plethora of co-working spaces, and a vibrant blend of urban life and nature. But it's the people of Medellin that truly make this city special. Warm, welcoming, and resilient, they are the heart and soul of this city's remarkable renaissance. For those who enjoy moderate climates, friendly locals, and a city that's reinventing itself, Medellin is worth considering. Our final stop takes us to the heart of Europe, to the eclectic city of Berlin in Germany. This city, steeped in rich history, is as vibrant and diverse as they come. It's a place where ancient cobblestone streets meet cutting-edge technology, making it a haven for digital nomads from around the globe. Berlin's infrastructure is a dream for those who live their lives online. With reliable internet access, numerous co-working spaces, and a city that never sleeps, you'll find everything you need to work and play in the German capital. Plus, the cost of living is surprisingly affordable, especially when you consider the high quality of life the city offers. But it's not all work and no play. Berlin has a thriving arts and music scene, a myriad of historical landmarks and museums, and a vast array of recreational activities. Whether you're into clubbing, outdoor activities, or simply enjoying a good cup of coffee in a quaint cafe, there's something for everyone. And let's not forget about the city's welcoming attitude towards the digital nomad lifestyle. Here, you'll find a vibrant community of like-minded individuals ready to share their experiences and make you feel right at home. If you're looking for a city that combines history, culture, and a thriving digital nomad community, Berlin is the place to be. And there you have it, our top picks for the best places to live as a digital nomad. From the tropical allure of Bali, Indonesia, with its reliable internet access and abundance of co-working spaces, to the cultural richness of Chiang Mai, Thailand, known for its low cost of living and thriving digital nomad community. We explored the charm of Lisbon, Portugal with its impressive infrastructure and safety measures, then ventured into the vibrant city life of Medellin, Colombia, a place that offers flexible schedules and a chance to meet people from different cultures. And who could forget Berlin, Germany, a city that perfectly balances recreation and work. Each city presents a unique blend of opportunities and experiences, catering to various preferences and interests. But remember, the ideal destination for you hinges on your personal needs and aspirations. So, take these insights as a guide, not a rulebook. Remember, the world is your oyster, and as a digital nomad, you get to choose your pearl. This video has been brought to you by AI. If you have a topic you'd like covered, please leave a comment. Stay adventurous and keep exploring the world of possibilities.